So, from ancient time to the modern era, Yoruba women have been central to the political, economic, and social fabric of their communities. Their stories are complex, marked by remarkable achievements and at times controversial action. If you are seeing our video for the first time, we have been looking into some of the influential women in Yoruba history, and the women we have talked about include Queen Moremi Ajasoro, Queen Luwo Gbagida, Kupupu of Ondo, Aláàfin Ọ̀rànpọ̀tọ̀níyìn, Ẹfúnṣetán Aníwúrà Ìyálóde Ilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn, Madam Eforoye Tinubu, Alimatu Pelewura, Funmilayo Ransome Kuti, and Dr. Elizabeth Abimbola Awoliyi. These are just a few of the great women in Yoruba history, but history is full of powerful women, and we know there are many more. Kindly check our profile to see their own story as well, or to get the whole concept at once, you can check our YouTube channel. The link is in our profile. So, which of these stories impressed with you the most? And what do you think should be added to this list? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to follow, like, and share. See you in my next video.